Alright, here we have this. I don't know, I kind of like doing videos on these. Ooh, is that nice? Nice warm glow. It's a nice mellow orange. Like kind of like a nice, this would be a nice nightlight. This would be cool. This is what you want. Let me make that. I'm gonna go to these I stay overnight somewhere. Maybe I'll make this into that. Just a nice glow. Anyway, having fun there. This is like the softest light I've seen. It's not blinding. It's nice and easy. Let's see. Even at that distance. It looks really bright and burned out right there. It isn't at all. It has nice tone. Very nice tone. I believe that's at 6. This thing can go up to 24. I guess if you want that, okay, I'm at 24 there. Oh, the camera, it's doing an auto shutter on it. This is really bright. This is no longer that nice warm tone. But if you needed it, I guess at 24, if you need that light. That right there is nice too. It appears to be about 14. Yeah, that's at 9. I don't know, I'll go with a 9.